What is a variable?
Variable is a received area located in memory. Name of the memory location.
There are three types of variables.
Those are local variable, instance variable, and static variable. Local variable is a nothing but a variable declared inside the body of the method. So it cannot be defined with static keyword. To understand purpose, I have created a class called A. So within this class, I have declared static variable, local variable, and instance variable. So first of all, look at it, the local variable. Inside the class, within the method, we have declared local variable. Void is nothing but it doesn't have a return type. That means it's empty.
Instance variable.
A variable declared inside the class but outside the body of the method, called instance variable.
When you declare the static variable, it belongs to the class, rather than a specific instance.
It can create a single copy of the static variable and share it among all the instances of the classes. That's the special about static variable. As you can see in the above this example, that both objects are sharing the same copy of static variable. That's why they displayed the same value of count.